This is a video for a 1995 Mercury Mariner extra long shaft. Measures 25 inches from the top of the transom all the way down to the cavitation plate. Extra long shaft, perfect for a sailboat or any other type of boat that needs a long shaft, small horsepower. This is an 8 horsepower, 2-stroke outboard. Gonna get you out of the hole quicker than a 4-stroke. It also has a tool control here. You can adjust, you can shift it right here. You can also, obviously you can use the throttle as well. So everything is done with one hand as opposed to shifting on the side. It's all done right there. This is an electric start 2 outboard. It starts right up. Just hit the button. It starts right up. Really quiet too. Really quiet one and outboard. You see the water pump works great. Real smooth running outboard. There's the electric start, tiller control. Ready to go. Perfect for a sailboat. I'm going to shift it now into gear. Going into forward. There it is, heading forward. Nice and quiet too. Runs really nice. Running outboard. Back it off now, put it in neutral. There is the neutral, you can see the water pump. Working great. Just going into reverse now. Ready to go into reverse. You see the prop is coming out of the water because it's pulling backwards. It's normal. And reverse. Bring it back into neutral again. See, she's idling perfectly, nice and quiet. I just recently cleaned out the carburetor, added new spark plugs to this outboard. It's in really good shape. I'm going to give it some more gas now, give you an idea how kind of power it has. Great running outboard. Super quiet too. For a 2-stroke outboard, it's really nice. Backing it off, back in neutral again. Idle smoothly. Great 2-stroke outboard. This is the 8 horse Mariner 1995 with the extra long 25-inch shaft with the electric start tiller control. Thanks for viewing.